Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to sign into our employee establishment account. So let's get started. So to sign into your employee establishment account, what you can do is just simply open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for employee establishment login. After searching for employee establishment login, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says EPFO Unified Portal. And after tapping on that, now you'll come up to this website where you can just sign into your account. So in the right side of your screen you can find establishment sign in, and from that section you can just enter your username and password. So just enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, you can just tap on sign in and you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password and then easily reset or recover your password. Or you can just tap on unlock account. If you have not logged into your account or signed into your account for a long time, your account will be locked. So what you can do is just tap on unlock account, and from unlock, and after unlocking your account, what you can do is just come back to the sign in page and just enter the email address and password, then tap on sign in. And after doing that, you'll successfully sign into your account. Or you can also sign into your employee account or uncovered principal employee sign. So just easily enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, just tap on sign in and you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your employee establishment account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.